Hello and welcome to 24th episode of AK Daily. It's always so special connecting with you. In this episode, I'm going to speak about what are you feeding your mind with. It is very important for you to understand the whole dynamic of what you consume through your mind and how it impacts your growth, your evolution. All top leaders, all achievers are extremely aware of this science. They are extremely protective. Through this video, I'm going to share with you few thoughts, few examples of what all we can do so that we get aware of what is this whole thought. I want you to think and reflect, possibly your last few hours or possibly yesterday, and think about how you are consuming. Think about what you're watching, think about what you're listening, think about what you're reading, recreate the conversations you are happening. Now, we don't know, but our mind is very delicate, and whatever goes inside our mind, it is connected with our emotions. And if it is a positive content, if it is an aspirational content, then from the mind it goes to our emotions and we feel energized, happy, motivated. We feel like doing something, we become action oriented. And if we have a negative content, which could be about an event, about a person, about anything, that also has an impact on our emotions, and we feel low, we feel negative, we feel concerned, we feel anxious. So friends, I want you to think about your consumption. I want you to think about what you're watching. I want you to think about what you're listening. I want you to think about what you're reading. And if you can start to evaluate yourself and start taking few actions like replacing the content which you are consuming with slightly aspirational, slightly positive, I can guarantee you will get into this rhythm of creativity, you'll get into this rhythm of feeling energized, you'll get into rhythm of start taking positive actions for any change in your life. So what you feed in your mind has direct correlation to your energy levels. What you feed in your mind has direct correlations to how inspired you feel. So think about it. Stay away from gossips. Stay away from anything negative. Invest in positive aspirational content. And also time and again keep reflecting and keep improving. All top achievers, as I said, they always are very protective of what they are consuming. So be protective about what you are consuming and enjoy your life. With this thought, I want you to live your life with complete clarity, confidence, and I wish you loads of happiness.